Alright, 4 stages of cancer in GNM perspective. Disclaimer muna tayo, this is in GNM perspective. This is not substitute for professional help. Consult your doctor with great discretion, okay? So kung hindi pa kayo familiar sa 5 biological laws, punta kayo sa learninggnm.com. Simulan natin sa stage 0. So sabi dito, abnormal cells are present but they haven't spread beyond where they started. Okay? First of all, there is no such thing as abnormal cells. Okay? May biological purpose yan. Kung magbubuo man siya ng proliferation or yung lump, tinatawag na cancer, biological adaptation po yun sa mga biological conflict. Okay? So, walang katotohanan yan. Alright, stage 1 naman tayo. Sabi dito, localized. The cancer is small and confined to the organ where it started. Okay? Kung maliit man yan, ibig sabihin sa GNM, maliit lang yung hindi intense masyado yung biological conflict. That is why small lang din yung lump. At small lang, hindi rin intensified yung healing niyan. Okay? Stage 2 naman tayo. Early locally advanced. The cancer is larger or has spread to nearby tissues or lymph nodes. Hindi rin po yan totoo. Yung metastasis na sinasabi nila, that's not true, mga kapatid. In GNM perspective, if you are still a believer of mainstream medicine's cancer theory, buhay po ninyo yan, okay? So in GNM perspective, that's not true. If anything, kung meron mang lump or cancer sa ibang organ, yun po ay dulot ng ibang biological conflict. Possible ba na yung diagnosis yung nag-trigger nun? Yes. Pero it doesn't mean na kumalat. Walang ganun, okay? It's yung metastasis kasi is under the umbrella or under the belief na ang katawan natin ay nagkakamali, tatanga-tanga, kontrabida, demonyo ang ating katawan. Hindi yung totoo in GNM perspective, okay? Magaling ang ating katawan. Ito ay mga adaptation lamang for survival. Biological language ng katawan natin. Alright, stage 3 naman tayo, sabi dito. Advanced. The cancer has grown deeper into surrounding tissue and may have spread to nearby lymph nodes. Hindi po yan totoo, okay? Hindi po siraulo ang ating katawan in GNM perspective, okay? I may be using Canto words, but I hope you understand, okay? That is why importante pag-aralan nyo ang 5 biological laws, okay? I'll back it up with links na lang sa baba, okay? Hindi totoo yun. Metastasis is kumalat daw. Hindi totoo yun, okay? Napaka-absurd na idea yon to think that our body is trying to destroy itself. No. Kabaliktaran yun ng actually na ginagawa ng katawan natin. Our body is built for survival, to adapt. Okay? So, hindi totoo yun. Okay? Stage 4 naman tayo. Metastatic. Ito na. The cancer has spread to distant parts of the body. Mga malalayo daw. Hindi, paulit-ulit lang tayo, hindi po yung totoo, okay? So, by simply changing your belief, hopefully, genuinely ka nang naniniwala sa 5 biological laws. Kasi, that belief alone can save you from a lot of these bullshit na mga theories na yan. At para hindi na rin magkaroon ng mga biological conflict na magkaroon pa ng lump yung ibang organs mo. Okay? It could be self-devaluation, pwedeng mating conflict, pwedeng death fright conflict. Pero wala pong katotohanan yung metastatic. Kumakalat yung cancer para patayin tayo. Ulitin ko po, isang malaking katarantaduhan yun ng mainstream medicine na pinaniwala tayo na ang katawan natin is trying to kill or destroy itself. It's not true. Okay? learninggnm.com. Be more educated, way beyond the conventional teachings. Alright? learninggnm.com. Thank you. Eto, panigurado papasok sa isip nyo, bakit may namamatay Uncle Rock? Akala ko ba adaptation? Tingnan nyo muna to. Tingnan nyo to. Ano? Halimbawa sa lymphoma. Anong mga treatment na ginagawa ng mainstream medicine? Chemotherapy, radiation therapy, proton therapy, targeted therapy, and surgery. Okay? Piruin mo, ang dami-dami mo nang inaalala, bagong biological conflict, mga anak ng mga anak yan. Magdi-deteriorate ka na. Just because you believe in mainstream medicine. So, wake the fuck up. Huwag kayo patanga-tanga dyan at panood-nood lang kayo. Magbasa kayo sa learninggnm.com. Tingnan nyo to, average 5-year survival, 85%. Okay? Bahala kayo, buhay nyo yan. Sinabi ko na sa inyong matagal na, pag-aralan nyo yung GNM 5 biological laws. Rock and roll.